Hello and welcome to Scratch Forum Replies. Double hard-boiled eggs says, project here, name has full context. Sprite going through diagonal floor / normal walls. There's 2 sprites. Very simple amount of code. One flag clicked. We can move right and left. And this seems to be the issue. There's a space bar. If we look, the code just moves left and right because the sprite's direction is 90 degrees. And here's the only situation where Y changes up. Here's where it's falling. I think that possibly what we're looking for is to move it up. Until this is no longer true. Now when it moves into the black line, it will jump up. Hope that was helpful. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.